Day 67 now, it's a juicy one. We're doing chest and back and starting off with 8 working sets of 6 to 8 reps. So this is going to build a huge amount of volume in your chest today and really show you what your chest is really built out to be at the moment. So give it everything. So incline flyers now, this is really going to hit the rest of our chest, the places that we miss when doing chest press. So 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps, make sure you do it really slow and controlled. And moving on to the back now, so another juicy one, 8 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Same thing, you want to be giving it all you've got. It's really going to show what your back's made of in this exercise. 6 to 8 reps isn't many, so go heavy, see what you've got to the very end. And we'll finish off the back with 3 working sets, 10 to 12 reps of lat pull down. So once again, 10 to 12 isn't much, but make sure you're finishing off the back completely with this exercise. You're going to be pretty depleted already, so just give it everything until you can't move anymore.